we foundationally should listen to people in recovery, and not just because I'm in recovery, but I feel like sometimes that opinion is secondhand to a lot of people, or tarnished or ugly. But I would much rather listen to somebody who's drugged their morals through the mud, compromised themselves on a soul level, and had to restart and rebuild and become an actual human, than somebody who doesn't even know if they own their morals. They're superior, but they don't even know who they are. Like you're not battle tested. Right. Where's your dog in this race? Right. And that's not to minimize everybody, right, and say like we're some kind of superhuman category, but it's like, I've seen some pretty superhuman things. Me personally, I would take 5 solid alcoholics in recovery over 20 people any day on any task.